Ikenga Uruagu return back to IPOB US. Things are happening. Barrister Ejiofor and others in US talked to Ikenga to return back. Ikenga also went ahead and said that the US leadership rejected his resignation letter to resign from IPOB. He said he was rejected for that reason. He's ready to face the consequences of any form in other way for him to be back as an IPOB member since they have rejected his letter to resign. Hey, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful sound channel, you are welcome. And if you know say you never give the channel a follow or subscribe to our YouTube, what are you waiting for? Or yeah, may you quickly try immediately and subscribe, and also follow our pages on our social media handles so that you will get our updates back to back as it is hot. We are here today bring you update of things that happening in Biafra land and all over. So we are going to play you the video for you to hear, and where he's making this statement. So after that we'll come back and continue and analyze the video more better. So please watch the video so that we'll come back and talk more about the video.
Resignation notice was rejected by a whole lot of people. To mention a few, the leadership of IPOB rejected my resignation notice. The First Lady of Indigenous People of Biafra rejected my resignation. My senior barrister and my senior brother, in the person of Barrister Ejiofor, rejected my resignation notice. One out of the three wise men from the east, Benjamin Madbu, rejected my resignation. My national coordinator, Valentine Ogechukwisu, rejected my resignation. The national coordinator of Italy and some other national coordinators rejected my resignation notice. So therefore, the reason is because there is a procedure that I failed to follow. And according to the leadership, there is no amount of provocation, name-calling, blackmail of all kind that will make one not to follow the right procedure or the right channel. And because of this, because of their judgment, I am here to tell you that I failed to follow the right procedure, and I am sorry about it. Biafrans all over the world, friends and lovers of freedom, one thing I must let you understand is your best will never come in an environment where people don't value you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be small thing, no things are happening. Remember that when he made the first video that he have resigned from IPOB, is no longer an IPOB. I come up here and I say something that a freedom fighter can't fight and stop, because if it is like that, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be there, and there is no freedom without sacrifice. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is in DSS dungeon today, and wake up and say, I am no longer IPOB, what are you going to say? You that is say you are not IPOB, later you come back and say you are IPOB, barrister Ejiofor, and a lot of people talk to you, this, that. This is funny. Guys, I beg, I want me you contribute for this matter. What is your opinion? What do you think? Do you think Ikenga should remain where he is? Or do you think Ikenga should go back to the US? What do you think, guys? Leave your comment respectfully. For those of you who be say, if you see video, will not be waiting you want watch and waiting you like. If you not like the video, please move, leave that video and move. Don't come to my channel and tell me what to do and what to post. If you don't like what I'm posting, you can unsubscribe, or you can unfollow, or you can just leave the page and go. Because if you leave your mumu comments about this particular channel, I will remove your comment. You will not be visible and I will block you. So this is it. Please leave your comment respectfully. You can talk whatever you want to tell Ikenga. I don't care. But you come here to insult me on my channel, I will take you out, because this channel is here to bring update of everything what is happening. So not one particular update that I'm bringing in this channel, as you people can see. If you are following me, if you are truly a fan of this page, you can know that we are not bringing only update concerning Biafra. We're bringing other things that happen. We do report what is going on in Israel right now for you to see. Is also in this channel. So please, when you're dropping a comment, know that this channel is here to bring any form of update. Guys, do not forget to share this video and tell us your opinion, what you think about Ikenga. Should he remain where it is, or should he also go back, return back fully to IPOB US? So leave your comment respectfully. We'll see you for comment section. Thank you for watching.